Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the Racer High-Speed Full Gauntlet riding gloves. Okay, the Racer high-speed gloves retail for $279.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been redesigned. This is a glove model that I've reviewed previously, right? We did a ride review on it, and it's also been one of our best-selling race gloves for a number of years. Full disclosure, we quite recently acquired the U.S. distribution rights to Racer, started a new company. My son Max is owner and running it. There was some ownership and support from Dad. Why do we do that? We did that because as STG, we've had so much history with this company and it's been great. Our customers have loved the products. Our friend Lee, who was distributing them here in the U.S., decided to retire. The company's aligned really well. The product is great. Good opportunity for the kids, so we jumped on it. We're proud to be partnered with them now and for many years to come. Revisiting the high-speed glove. This glove fits true to size. I'm wearing a size 2X right now. That's the size I wear in almost every glove out there. They fit and feel exactly as I would expect. The comfort is outstanding right out of the bag. These are going to require very little break-in, and they're going to feel amazing. I just reviewed their Hyper glove. It's their latest road race glove in the catalog. You know, and Max was in here too, and we were kind of talking about this a little bit, like the difference between those two models. This one, like when you compare it to that Hyper, great feel, great comfort out of the bag. It feels a little more robust than the Hyper, a little bit less dexterity, so you're trading a little bit there. I would view each as very protective, right? We've ridden these and have crash data on these for many people over many years now, been great. The Hyper, Max is riding and racing those at Moto America, had a fall on them, they worked fantastic. You know, but that would probably be one of the biggest differences between the two gloves is, you know, this one feels a little bit more robust, which could equate to a little bit more durability in crashing, right? Both will be very protective, especially on the first crash. And this one's going to require just that little bit of break-in, right? Not a lot. And then they're going to feel great. I had a pair of these that I wore for years. Max has raced in these previously too. Both of us really like the gloves. Let's focus now on the features and benefits. We've got a kangaroo palm with a cowhide chassis. We have the Knox scaphoid protection system, palm slider system. Let's talk about why those are on the gloves. Most of us instinctively, when we fall, we're going to put our hands out to brace for impact. Instinct. A regular glove with a leather palm, right? You got your palms out on the asphalt or the concrete. It can grab the leather, right? It can stress out the seams of the glove quite a bit. It can also transmit energy into your wrist and possibly damage your scaphoid. It's a real small bone in there, low blood flow, difficult to heal. Common injury in motorcycle racing road race crashes. For that reason, many years ago, Knox Armor developed a palm slider system to help mitigate the risk of that injury in the event of a crash. Okay, quite simply, these are padded plastic sliders that when they come in contact with a hard surface, they help to initiate a slide, right? Helps also prevent a tumble, which is great when you're on the track and you have a crash. No tumbling is a good thing, right? Helps to reduce the possibility of injury to the scaphoid. They're also very difficult to wear through. In that high impact zone, like even the low side area there on the side, almost impossible to wear through the glove in that area. Petard's leather overlay, this is where your hands touch the bars. It's going to help keep the service life of the glove higher. Leather overlay here, super fabric right there on that knuckle to really bolster the protection. This common low side, right, abrasion right there. Got a finger bridge here, TPR knuckle protectors on the fingers, some motion panels here. Knuckle protector, it's like a super fabric, it's kind of a medium density protector. Tunnel system, so when you wrap your fingers around the bars, right, it can open up here a little bit. There's some padding behind it too for impact, so it's not pulling so hard on the glove. Perforated panel here, TPR protector here, large motion panel, knuckle of the thumb, TPR protector there. Safety strap right here. Protector for the end of the ulna. Gauntlet adjustment right here. External seams. We have some perforation in between the fingers to help encourage airflow in that area to keep you comfortable and well ventilated as you're riding and or racing. Like I said previously, one of the best-selling race gloves we've had for many years, and it really says something too. You know, you look at so many of the other companies out there, they design a glove, and that glove is going to stay in the line for a couple of years, and then boop, done. You're going to have the next version, maybe a different name, whatever. These have been in the video we did for these before, super old. You'll find that. We'll leave that on the webpage as well, and you can see it on our YouTube channel. And the design is basically unchanged, right? And it's because they simply work. Racer's famous for having some of the best, if not the best fitting gloves on the market. And I got to tell you, all the models, they really stand up to that claim. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.